Hello friends, welcome you all once again on this beautiful virtual platform. My dear students and my dear friend teachers, we are combinedly enjoying all these important contents regarding English language and grammar. Friends, your overwhelming response to my videos as well as to my channel is really give me great pleasure to make more very interesting educational videos. Dear friends, in this video we are going to discuss very important multiple choice questions on a poem written by Anne Sexton entitled Courage. Friends, before to note down all MCQs in this video, it's my request to all of you that please watch my video about the critical analysis of the poem Courage by Anne Sexton. Friends, we found that how Anne Sexton has divided our life in 4 parts, and how in every part we have to face challenge of life, or we have to courageously face the challenges. In that regard, please read about the writings and contribution of Anne Sexton, as well as study all 4 stanzas very carefully of the poem Courage, as well as watch my video analysis of the poem Courage, and definitely I will promise you that will give answers of every question. So friends, let's start the MCQs on the poem Courage. This is the first MCQ. Who wrote the poem Courage? Now, some questions are very interesting and very simple. Options are A. Anne Sexton, B. Anne Burney, C. Anne Wilson, D. Anne Halton. Friends, note down your answer, and this is correct answer, A. Anne Sexton. Next MCQ. Anne Sexton was 20th century poet. Options are British, A. British, B. Indian, C. American, D. Canadian. Note down your answer, friends. C. American. Anne Sexton was 20th century American poet. Next MCQ. The poem Courage is taken from an anthology of Anne Sexton. Yes, friends. Options are A. All My Pretty Ones, B. The Awful Roving Toward God, C. Live or Die, D. Transformations. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer, The Awful Roving Toward God. Next MCQ. Which collection of Anne Sexton received the Pulitzer Prize of 1975? For such answers or questions, you have to read about author. Options are A. All My Pretty Ones, B. The Awful Roving Toward God, C. Transformations, D. Live or Die. And this is the answer, D. Live or Die. Next MCQ. The first stanza of the poem Courage is deal with stage of human life. A. The childhood, B. The adulthood, C. The middle age, D. The old age. Note down your answer, and this is correct answer, A. The childhood. Next MCQ. The second stanza of the poem Courage is deal with dash dash stage of human life. A. The childhood. B. The adulthood. C. The middle age. D. The old age. Friends, note down your answer. And this is correct answer. B. The adulthood. Next MCQ. The third stanza of the poem Courage is deal with dash 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 stage of human life. A. The childhood. B. The adulthood. C. The middle age. D. The old age. And this is the answer. C. The middle age. Next MCQ. The fourth stanza of the poem Courage is deal with dash 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 stage of human life. A. The childhood. B. The adulthood. C. The middle age. D. The old age. Friends, note down your answer, and this is answer, the old age. Next MCQ. According to the poet, the first step of the child is dash 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 in the life of the child. Yes friends, for this question you have to read the lines. A. An earthquake. B. The bomb. C. The gun. D. The shot. And this is correct answer. A. An earthquake. Next MCQ. According to the poet, what the young has swallowed for fight with the life? A. The water. B. A small coal. C. The acid. D. The bitter words. Yes friends, for this question also you have to read the lines, and this is the correct answer. A small coal. Next MCQ. How many stages of life are mentioned in the poem Courage by Anne Sexton? A1, B2, C3, D4. Yes friends, very interesting question. And this is the answer. D4. 4 stages. Next MCQ. When death opens the black door, when death opens the black door, you will put on your carpet slippers and stride out. This is the line from the poem. And what is the figure of speech in this line? Yes friends, you have to mention figure of speech. A. Personification. B. Alliteration. C. Metaphor. D. Simile. And this is the correct answer. Personification. Yes friends, it is a personification of death. Next MCQ. The child's first step, as awesome as an earthquake. The line provides as an example of dash dash dash. Options are A. Simile. B. Personification. Personification. D. Metaphor. And the correct answer of this question is D. Metaphor. It is kind of a metaphor. Next MCQ. When they call you a cry baby, or poor or fatty or crazy, or poor or fat or fatty or crazy, the line indicates dash dash dash. A. Negative aspects of courage. B. Having the enough courage to challenge and defy bullies. C. Both A and B. D. None of the above. Next, then the correct answer is C. Both A and B. Next MCQ. It is in the small thing we see it. The pronoun it refers to. Yes friends. For this answer, you have to read the original text. The child's first step. B. He rode the bike. C. Courage. D. None of the above. And this is the correct answer. Courage. Here it refers to courage. Next MCQ. If you have endured a great despair, then you did it alone. What is the life stage in this line according to Anne Sexton? A. The childhood. B. The middle age. C. The old age. D. The young age. And this is correct answer. B. The middle age. Next MCQ. What Anne Sexton personifies? Kinsman in the poem Courage. Options are A. Happiness, B. The age, C. The death, D. The sorrow. And this is correct answer. D. The sorrow. Kinsman. Next MCQ. What is compulsory, inevitable according to the poet Anne Sexton in the poem Courage? Yes friends. A. The death, B. The food, C. The life, D. The happiness. Note down your answer. And this is correct answer. The death is inevitable for everybody. Friends, I conclude this video with this beautiful quote by Anne Sexton. Put your ear down close to your soul and listen hard. Yes friends, we have to listen our own voice, which really speaks very truthful about ourselves. So everybody has to try to listen the voice or the sound of our soul. Definitely will become very courageous, or there will be the courage in our life. So again, I humbly request you that circulate all these videos among your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you friends. Thank you and all.